Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change screen timeout to never, so it never blacks out while charging and while using your phone. Let's go. Okay, so we will start from charging. So what you need to do is you need to go to settings, here, then to about phone, then to software information, and you have build number here. You need to click it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you enter developer mode. I already entered it before, so I won't show you like this, but developer option. When you enter the developer mode, it will be under about phone. There will be developer options. You click it, then you press stay awake on. So while you are charging your phone, it never blacks out. Yes. Then second thing, if you want your phone to never black out while using it, you need to download this app, Kayfina. You just need to write Caffeine app and it pops out. You click it, then you go timeout. You can select other options like 1 hour or variable, but yes, you don't have this in setting. All you have is 5 minutes, 10 minutes and 30 minutes, but you click infinite. And now your phone will never black out. Thank you. Have a good day. Goodbye.